Hi, my name is Sandun. I migrated to Australia from Sri Lanka. I have over 15 years of overseas experience in my country as a site engineer, civil engineer, construction manager, and project manager. Currently, I am living in Albury, New South Wales. It is the border city between Victoria and New South Wales. Before joining LearnPedia Traineeship Program, I had no experience about how the residential construction is progressing in Australia. I didn't have any knowledge about Australian standards and codes and design software, and I have no idea about how we draft the residential projects in AutoCAD. Therefore, although I have submitted many job applications before joining LearnPedia program, I was not successful. I joined LearnPedia Traineeship Program because I wanted to get local practical experience here in Australia to grab a job opportunity in Australian construction industry. And I wanted to learn about Australian standards and code and Australian design software, as well as I wanted to learn about commercial products that are commonly used in Australian construction industry. After going through LearnPedia website and post in Facebook, I understood that this is the program I am searching for. In LearnPedia Traineeship Program, I completed Job Ready Program and analyzing, designing and drafting of two single-story buildings. One is an extension building and other is a new build construction. After completing LearnPedia Traineeship Program, I was able to get knowledge about Australian standards and codes and structural design softwares that are used in Australian building construction industry to design, analyze and draft the residential buildings. Also, after completing Traineeship Program, I was able to cover up my local practical experience to apply for job opportunities here in Australia. Also, based on Molly's advices, I developed my LinkedIn profile professionally. That would be immensely helpful for me to grab the job opportunity. Also, communication skills learned through this traineeship program was helpful for me to perform in the interview. And finally, I grabbed a job opportunity as a site engineer in a building construction industry here in Australia. Materials provided during this traineeship program was simply and clearly elaborated, and which I understood them thoroughly and clearly. The concept explained well, and all the things provided in this internship program is very helpful for me to get the technical knowledge about designing, drafting and analyzing residential construction projects here in Australia. The instructor is well collaborated with us. She guided us to build up professional network. She guided us how to develop our communication skill, and she explained all the things in design process, analysis process and drafting process very simply, so we could follow up and understand very easily. Also, online platform was created in such a way that we could complete the traineeship program on our own pace, and enough time was provided to utilize online resources, and we were able to use Australian standards, and we were able to go through Australian codes, and we have enough time to get familiarized with design software during this program. Based on practical experience and knowledge gained through this program, it is 100% sure that you would be able to secure a suitable job opportunity here in Australia after following this program, because they have given us all the knowledge on Australian standards and codes, design softwares and drafting methods, as well as they guided us to develop our LinkedIn profile professionally, and they guided us to communicate with employers professionally. So I think after following this program, it is 100% sure that you will get your dream job here in Australia. After completing this program, I grabbed a job opportunity that I am dreaming for, and this is the correct fit for me here in Australia to get practical local experience in Australian construction industry. Anyone who is struggling to secure a job opportunity in the construction industry in Australia, here is the opportunity. LearnPedia Australia will guide you to get the practical experience in designing, drafting, and analyzing residential projects here in Australia using Australian standards and codes and structural software such as Space Gas and Structural Toolkit and AutoCAD.